Alright y'all, so I got a big mess to clean up today. Don't believe me? So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dun dun dun. Yeah, y'all,
Welcome to Lena Love, where Lena does all the stuff Lena loves.
in this video, I'm going to declutter, set up my new furniture, decorate, and make sure y'all stick around for the final reveal because you are definitely not going to want to miss it. So I recently moved and this is what my living room is looking like. So in case you were wondering what happened to all the boxes, I stacked them up all nice and neat and recycled them later. So here's my new couch. I got this couch from Wayfair and I'm about to set it up. This is what it looked like when I was done. Now moving along to my two big beautiful chairs. I found these really nice expensive wingback chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I really wanted them to match the decor in the rest of the room, so I got these black chair covers. Now it did take a lot of patience and T-pins, but when I was done putting those chair covers on, I think those chairs look like $1,000,000. Alright y'all, so this was just my ultimate favorite part. This was me restoring my old TV stand. I sanded it down and painted it black to match the rest of the decor. So moving along to my favorite part, decorating. I got this black sparkly textured Aztec rug with fringe from Overstock. And I got this matching entry rug from Amazon. I got this pretty cool table from IKEA. And this little table from Walmart. My living room doesn't have an overhead light fixture, so I decided to get these lamps to brighten up the space. I absolutely love my wall hangings. This handmade macrame wall hanging is my favorite. So these are the pillows that came with my couch and they just don't go with my style. So I got some throw pillow covers. Alright y'all, so I decided to bring a little greenery to the space. I got this plant hanger. Since I don't get hardly any natural light in my living room, I decided to get these faux plants. So I just stuffed the pots with some styrofoam and started setting up the plants.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views in the night.
If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, let me know down in the comments. I don't think y'all are quite ready for this final reveal, but here it is.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On a brand all the time. Thinking about the day
So how do y'all think I did? The living room is the first room company sees when they come over, and I think I did a damn good job. It's cozy, inviting, and most of all, it has that boho feel. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me one of them likes. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on how I transform the next room. Bye y'all.